So, you want to start a YouTube channel. How do you get started? What equipment do you need?
Hey Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look, man, keep driving that audience. So Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
Well, I started my YouTube channel about a year ago. We have, over 9,000 subscribers. The channel's got over 600,000 views. And we also started a TikTok channel. And over there, we have about 85,000 followers, right? So we're getting a small, following, not very big. I was planning to, get 1 million subscribers. That's proving to be more difficult to do because I speak English, and it's kind of hard to crack the Vietnamese market with an English speaker. But nevertheless, we have people that write subtitles. I hope they're good. Comment below if you think the subtitles are not matching to what I say, right? Today, I want to talk about how you can start your own YouTube channel, because actually, it really is not very hard. And I have to tell you, the reason why I started my own YouTube channel is because I am finding it more difficult to reach my employees. First of all, I have a lot more of them now, right? I have 350 of them, and not all of them speak English, and I need a way to communicate with them, right? So, I thought, hey, maybe a YouTube channel that, with subtitles in English, and that is a way for me to communicate my message to my people, right? And secondly, I do have some fucktard employees, and the motto of this channel is, take fucking action and don't be a fucktard, right? So I do have a few problematic employees, and I want to be able to reach them. I don't want them to be fucktards because it's not good for them, and it's also not good for me if they work inside my company. So that's why I decided to create this channel. It wasn't to become famous or any reasons like that. It's just I need a way to reach my employees, and that was the best idea I could come up with. And then I hired a small team to, build this channel. They do the editing and then the management of the channel, right? I just make these videos and, speak frankly on camera. And really, from the idea to implementation, it took about a week. It didn't take a very long time because I like to take fucking action. I'm not the kind of guy that plan all year round, right? If it was anyone else, they would plan 5 weeks, 10 weeks, 3 months before they come up with a spreadsheet. Oh, this is everything we need to make a YouTube channel to work. Oh no, not me. I just started the YouTube channel. I just start sitting in front of a camera like this one and then start talking. And then I give the videos to the video editor, and they started editing, and then we put it into the YouTube channel, and that's how it got started, right? I don't research, I don't plan, I just take fucking action, and I make improvements along the way. Every step of the way, we make small improvements to make the channel better, right? And I have to tell you that I had a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun doing this, and we actually had a game show, and we're gonna do more of it. And I think this channel has actually garnered some following, right? So I have a lot of people that come to me and message me, and because of this channel, in fact, we have hired a lot of employees through this channel. We have reach a lot of people through this channel, and every time I go to the mall or I'm in a public place, some people come up to me and say, "Hey Tom, you're Tom, right?" "Yeah, I'm Tom." It's kind of rewarding in a way, although sometimes I do get dick pictures in Facebook. Anyhow, getting back to the point, how do you start your own YouTube channel? And I believe anyone can do it. If I can do it, you can do it, right? So how do you start? What equipment do you need, right? Of course, we're not talking about how to speak in front of a camera. I'm not talking about how to make your videos. I'm just talking about the equipment today. Although I can tell you this, I have no script. I don't need a script. I don't script down what I have to say. I just go in front of the camera and start talking, right? and it's the fastest way to build a video. So I just get in front of the camera and start talking. The first time was like, but now it's like, it's just natural. It's like in front of the camera, think of an idea and just talk, right? And today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your own videos and what equipments you need, okay? So when I started, all I started with is basically a phone, because this thing can record videos, all right? You can record yourself. You can use something like a selfie stick, right? So a selfie stick, right, like that. And then you can record yourself this way, all right? And then you just put the phone there, right? There, and then you can do it. Very simple, all right? Nothing crazy. That's all you really need, because the phones today have very high resolution. They actually can record very high quality videos. But on top of that, I also got a GoPro. This is not a very fancy GoPro. It's a GoPro 7. It looks like this. And this will produce very high quality videos, good enough for YouTube. And I put it into a case, just to protect it, because I also need to use a device like this one, all right? So there's a device like this one that connects to the YouTube. The reason why I need that is because then I can connect a microphone receiver on top like this and connect the microphone receiver to this. This connects wirelessly to my microphone here. All right, there's a receiver inside my suit, and that's how I get really good quality audio, right? So there's a microphone here, there's a wireless receiver, connect to the GoPro. My selfie stick also doubles as a tripod, so you can actually, you can actually connect this here, all right? Connect like that, right? And then this is a tripod, and it'll just stand anywhere. But of course, sometimes you need a bigger tripod in here, right? Which will actually extend into a big tripod. It'll be, it allows me to put the camera up high. And really, that's all the equipment I had in the beginning. Of course, now I have a little bit more equipment, right? But in the beginning, that really is all I had. I didn't have anything more. And I just take those equipment, I sit down and I make a video and I put it on YouTube. Of course, I hired a small team that helps to build thumbnail, to help do editing, and help me manage the YouTube channel, right? So that's really all you need. So if you want to be a YouTube influencer, you definitely can do it, right? It's just a will. It's just determination. It's just if you want to do it, I think anybody can do it. So take fucking action. Get yourself a GoPro camera and be a YouTube influencer. If I can do it, you can too. Don't be a fucktard.